Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. It is January 2nd today and I've just finished filming my drugstore favorite products for 2018. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon and actually I have a lot to talk to you about. This morning I edited my keto weight loss week 5 vlog. Let's be honest, it's been the holidays and I haven't been doing keto. There's me being 100% honest with you guys. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. Yeah, I've been drinking alcohol, I've been eating carbs, I've been eating takeout, and I've had a really good time off. I've just been relaxing, which has been great. I did mention in my 2019 goal video that I wanted to vlog more, and I don't think that they're necessarily going to be keto vlogs. So I'm just gonna share like what I get up to day to day kind of thing. Try and pop out a vlog, whether it be a weekly vlog or just over a few days. I want to get back into the swing of things and just vlog when I want to and not vlog if I don't want to. So I just want to film little clips like I did this morning, like getting ready and putting some washing on. What are you doing? Getting the suns? Come on. Come on. You know, little things like that I do day to day and just try and find like my groove with vlogging and making them interesting for you guys as well. So I am going to probably edit that video that I just filmed. I need to also go sign up to the gym. I need to pack some orders for Quartz Beauty. And I do at some point really need to tidy up this room, but I just need to get ahead of my editing for my videos. Be in front of my editing. Okay, so I've got some parcels to send off for Quartz Beauty. I've just got an appointment to go to, so I am going to post them on my way. It is 5:30, so I'm gonna go get dressed. I have not yet finished editing my beauty faves, my drugstore one yet. You know, when your partner comes home, you're just gonna have a little debrief, and yeah, it is honestly such a nice day outside. I feel like I've kind of wasted it not doing anything. Like, I mean, not doing anything outside, I mean, because this weather won't last long. It's already January, like it's gonna be over soon. Hey guys, so I am back from my appointment and we're just cooking dinner. We're having a barbecue. Well, we're having steak and vegetables, but we're having a barbecue. I came home and I'm like, oh, let's cook the steak on the barbecue because it just tastes better when it's on the barbecue for some reason. We have steak, onion, and then potatoes. I love potatoes on the barbecue. And I'm probably gonna have some pasta salad and just save my veggies for tomorrow maybe, because we've got heaps of leftover salads from having New Year's here. Everyone like always brings so much food, and we've got like leftover bread, like there's so much left over. But yeah, we're just gonna sit out here and enjoy the sunshine. Hey Coco, look at you. Huh? Are you gonna do a roll on the concrete? She loves rolling on the concrete. Good morning guys, welcome back. It is January 10th. Excuse my appearance, I just plucked my brows. Oh, it's actually nearly 11, so I'm making this a little bit late, but I just wanted to have a vlog today. I am going to put on a slow cooker. We're going to have some lamb shanks for dinner. I'm just gonna make that and I'll just show you. I haven't been doing keto since Christmas, so don't expect any keto food in this vlog, but I just thought it would be cool to just, you know, show you what I'm cooking, because, you know, that's life.
Look at this onion, it's shaped just so weirdly, it'll be two. Oh yeah, it is two.
Hey guys, so it's nearly 2 o'clock and I just filmed my everyday drugstore makeup routine. So that's this look here. Hopefully that'll be up before this vlog. I don't even know, I'm so far behind my video schedule, but I thought I'd just have some lunch because it's now like 2 o'clock.
Here is how the lamb shanks are doing.
We had a barbecue for dinner last night, so I've just got leftover sausages and these chicken thigh things that were from Aldi. They were actually really good. And there's my lunch, definitely not keto. Pasta salad, 2 sausages and the chicken thing. This morning I got an order from Sephora, and it's so funny how it happened because I'm a part of the group, I think it's called Not Beauty News. Kat and Haley from Beauty News have the Beauty News group, and then there's one called Not Beauty News, and someone posted, I can't remember when it was, but they said Sephora is having a 50% off sale, and for some reason it's working on everything. It came up in my Facebook and I'm just like, surely not, like surely it must be finished yet. I jumped on, put a couple of things in my cart and put in the code, and it worked. Like half price off everything. So I made an order. Like I had to, I just couldn't not make an order, right? So that came today. Look, I didn't go nuts. I didn't really need any of it, but anyway. I got this beauty blender little pack. So it comes with 2 beauty blenders and then the blender cleanser, because I love beauty blenders. And then I got the Huda Beauty foundation in cheesecake. I recently got another one when they had their Boxing Day sale. I think there was only like 15% off though, but I love this. This is like my favorite foundation. And then they started stocking the shade tape. So I picked up 2 shades. I got Fair Light Neutral, and then I also got Medium Sand. I love this concealer. It is amazing. And then I picked up this Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Capri Coast. Love the Hourglass one so much, but Hourglass isn't on Sephora, so I thought that I would try this one, which looks like quite similar. See how there's like a little bit of speck, like a little bit of glitter to it kind of thing. So I can't wait to use that. Excuse this nail, by the way, it broke. No, it doesn't have it on here, but I saved like half price on all of this stuff, so they will never let that happen again. I'm pretty sure it was a major stuff up, because they did eventually fix it. Been obsessed with scrunchies. I've got one in my hair at the moment, but I got this one from Ruby. I've got like this I can't show, like this green colored one, pastel green, and then there was like a nudie kind of color. They came in a pack of 2 just normal scrunchies. I think they were like $6, and then these ones were $5 with any purchase. I got these the other day when I went to the city and I was shopping with Rachel, and we picked some stuff up. So she got me onto them actually, because she bought a few, and then I bought one and I just love them. I don't know why I didn't love scrunchies before, but I'm obsessed. I also got my first PR package of the year. It's from Priceline and they sent me the brand new little, I think that this one is new. I've always had the mini foam, but the self-tan eraser is in the mini. I'm hoping this pump works because my pump never works. I've got 3 of these and it worked at the start and then it just stops working. So I don't know what is up with it, but I do love the self-tan eraser. These are cute, and then I got a little glove as well. So thank you very much to the Priceline girls for sending me this. I think I'm gonna go and film another video. I've had so many requests to film a like how to apply false eyelashes, so I think I'm gonna go and do that. I don't have any on at the minute. Hey guys, so I filmed my video for my lashes and I have sapphire on now, although with this makeup I'm really annoyed because I used the Model's Own eye base and it's fully creasing on me. So if you got any good eye bases that are from the drugstore, please let me know, because this one, like, I'm pretty sure it's creasing. I've already fixed it like 3 times. So I'm just editing my vlog that I filmed last week and it's only like 4 minutes long. Or short, I should say. And I didn't vlog any other time. To be honest, like last week was a bit, like I was a bit anxious last week. I guess like I have some big news to tell you. Like I guess it's a big thing and I'm just trying to play it down, but I actually have resigned from my job. The reason why I'm like this is because I'm obviously like really scared because I don't have a new job to go to. YouTube and Quartz Beauty is now combined as my full-time job. And it's very, very scary. For those who have started a business, I'm sure you understand. I've been in a like not very good mental health state, and I think it's also because I haven't been keto as well. My anxiety's just like come back quite a bit. I haven't been sleeping well, and there's some other stuff going on as well, but like just making the decision to leave my job, I didn't see that I was going to leave at any time soon, and then a few things happened. The moral of the story, it's not like I left on bad terms, but it's just like I can't work for a place that I'm not proud to go to work for every day. I have too much respect for myself. When I talked to Dean about it, he was actually really supportive. You know, I was in tears. I was just like, I don't know what to do. Like, I want to quit. You know, like when you're just so upset about something and you're just like, oh, I'm not going back. That's it. I'm just done. And you just like tears. He was just like, well, if that's what you want to do, you can do that, Crystal. God bless him. Like, he's so supportive. He's just like, as long as, you know, obviously we've got financial commitments. We need to pay bills and the mortgage on our house, and you know, like that's all really scary to put in the hands of social media and my own business. Time goes on, like I'll be coping with it better, but just for the last I only resigned, when was it Monday or Tuesday, and to be honest, like it was weighing heavily on my mind. That's why I didn't vlog at all, because I said at the start of this vlog, I think I only want to vlog when I want to, and I just, yeah, wasn't up to it. That's just like a real honest chat with you guys, and I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually like really scared. Like I know how much I need to work and put into this business, or both of my businesses. It's really overwhelming, to be honest. I never thought that I'd be in this position. Like I always said, I don't think I'll ever do YouTube full-time. However, with Quartz Beauty being part of that, it's 2 businesses, so it's not doing YouTube full-time. Definitely not. Quartz Beauty takes up a lot of my time. I mean, I guess at the end of the day, I need to put more faith into myself and, you know, give it 110% to make it work, because it's got to work. I know I quit my job like one time before, but it went on to be a casual basis, which then ended up being part-time work. Yeah, I don't know. Everything just happens. Everything just falls into place and happens for a reason, doesn't it? It's just crazy. So that's been going on in my life, and I feel good to finally, like, it's done. It's dealt with. I feel like it's not exactly finished. I know you can't tell from my background because it actually looks not too bad, but there is mess everywhere. Like, I should film a video of cleaning my beauty room. It's bad. It's really bad. Anyway, there's that bit of news. I really don't know how I feel about it. Like, I know I should be more excited about it, but like part of me is like so scared. By the way, that slow cooker meal smells so delicious. It's only 5:30, so my mouth is watering. I actually freaking quit my job. What have I done? Oh my god. Okay, here we have the lamb shank with some mashed potato, some carrots that were in there. Hopefully this is tasty. How you going, Dean?
It's quite hot.
Yeah, I can imagine it's been cooking for like 8 hours. What have we got here? We've got a little Misa, a little sleepy girl. Hey, hello. No rolls from you today, Missy. Oh, sleepy girl. What are we gonna watch?
I'm gonna watch Thor.
Just you?
Nah, Coco's gonna watch as well.
Ah. Koki, you gonna watch? So we are going to watch Thor. I caught Dean watching it by himself. I'm like, I want to watch that. And then probably just go to bed afterwards. So I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Bye.
Gadget.